Hello, my beautiful glomies. Tonight is all about creating the ultimate night out makeup look. This isn't just any look, it's your power look. The one that says, I'm here, I'm fabulous, and I'm ready to dance. We're going bold, graphic, and sculpted. Think claymation character vibes. Makeup is your playground, so let's have fun and get creative. No rules, just inspiration. I'll guide you step by step from skin prep to the final spritz of setting spray. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this look is for everyone. We'll break it down into simple steps, talk products, techniques, and most importantly, confidence. When you love your look, you shine from the inside out. So, turn up the music and get in the zone. The night is full of possibilities. Concert, dinner, or just dancing with friends. This makeup will last through it all. We're not just putting on makeup, we're creating memories. Your face is the canvas, and tonight, we paint a masterpiece. Ready to glow up together? Let's get this party started. Grab your brushes and palettes. This is your night, your moment. Let's make it unforgettable. The adventure begins now. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's dive in and see what we create. Tonight, we're all about bold color and sparkle. Let's unleash the power of makeup. This is your time to shine. Let's get started. I can't wait to see your looks. Let's glow. First things first, skin prep is everything. Cleanse your face to start with a fresh canvas. Pat dry gently, no rubbing. Hydrate with a serum, especially one with hyaluronic acid for that plump, fresh feel. Follow with your favorite moisturizer, even if you have oily skin. This helps your foundation glide on and last. Next, primer. It smooths, blurs, and grips your makeup all night. Use a gripping primer for extra staying power. Let it get tacky before moving on. Don't forget your lips and eyes. Apply lip balm and a little eye cream now. These steps make a huge difference in how your makeup looks and lasts. Happy, hydrated skin is the best base. Take a minute for prep, it's worth it. Your makeup will thank you. Trust me, this is a game changer. Now you're ready for the fun part. Let's move on to foundation. Skin prep done right means everything else looks better. You're already glowing. Let's keep that energy going. Ready for the next step? Let's do this! Time to build our flawless base. Go for a matte, long-wearing foundation, perfect for a night out. Dot foundation on your face, then blend with a damp beauty sponge for an airbrushed finish. Next, concealer. 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Apply under the eyes, center of the forehead, nose, and chin for a lifted, bright look. Blend it all out with your sponge. Set everything with a translucent powder, focusing on the T-zone and under the eyes. Let the powder bake for a few minutes, then sweep away the excess. Your skin should feel smooth and matte, no stickiness. This is the perfect canvas for color and contour. Your base is locked in and ready for anything. No melting, no creasing, just flawless skin. This step is so satisfying. You're ready for the next level. Let's keep going. Your foundation is set. You look amazing already. Now let's add some color and drama. The fun is just beginning. Ready for eyes? Let's go. You've got this. On to the next step. Now for the eyes, the real claymation party. Prime your lids so your colors pop and stay put. Start with a hot pink shadow in the crease as your transition shade. Build up the color for a soft diffused effect. Add deep purple to the outer corner for drama and depth. Blend where the colors meet for a seamless look. Time for a cut crease. Use concealer to carve out the lid shape. Fill the space with a shimmery electric blue shadow. The contrast is stunning. Finish with a sharp black winged liner for that graphic edge. Curl your lashes and apply volumizing mascara. For extra drama, add false lashes. Your eyes will mesmerize on the dance floor. This look is bold, fun, and unforgettable. Don't be afraid to play with color. The eyes are your statement piece. You're ready to wow everyone. Let's keep the energy going. Next up, brows and cheeks. Let's do it! Time to frame those eyes with perfect brows. Brush brows up, outline with pomade, and fill in with light strokes. Keep the front soft for a natural gradient. Now, sculpt with contour. Apply under cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. Blend well for soft, natural shadows. Add a bright, peachy pink blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upward. Don't be shy with blush. It lifts and brightens your face. Now the glow. Sweep a champagne gold highlighter on cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and brow arch. When the light hits, you'll glow like a goddess. This is the ultimate finishing touch. Your face is sculpted, radiant, and ready for the night. You look like a walking Instagram filter in the best way. The transformation is real. You're almost done. Let's finish with the perfect pout. Ready for lips? Let's go. You're glowing. On to the final step. Lips are the final statement. Let's make them bold. Wipe off any excess lip balm. Outline lips with a berry lip liner, slightly overlining for fullness. Fill in lips with the liner for extra staying power. Apply a matte liquid lipstick in a deep berry shade. Let it dry completely for a flawless, transfer-proof finish. This color ties the whole look together, dramatic, confident, and powerful. Your lips are bold and beautiful. Every time you smile, you'll feel unstoppable. A bold lip is an attitude. Own it. You're ready to conquer the night. The look is complete. You look incredible. Confidence is your best accessory. Pucker up, superstar. You did it. Let's lock it all in. Final touches next. Last step, set your masterpiece. Mist setting spray all over to lock in your look. Let it dry, don't touch your face. Your makeup is now waterproof, sweatproof, and dance-proof. Toss your lip color and blotting papers in your bag for touch-ups. Stay fresh and matte all night. Take a moment to admire your work. You look bold, confident, and ready for anything. Remember, the most important part is to have fun and be safe. At the end of the night, always remove your makeup. Use an oil-based cleanser, then your regular face wash. Your skin will thank you in the morning. You're glowing inside and out. Go out there and own the night. You created a masterpiece. Thanks for joining me, Glowmies. Until next time, keep shining. You're unstoppable. Now go glow.